So there's this guy, and sometimes he cheats on me, and then he's addicted to pornography, and he tells me he's going to do things that he doesn't do, and but he's a really nice guy, and I really like him, but I'm not really sure if he's the right one because sometimes he acts like a little kid, and I have to be his mother, and got your whole list of buts, and you're wondering, is he the right one? So let's talk about that. I think it's very easy to answer this question. If you were looking for a product and you said, this product does what I want it to do, and it's the right color and it's the right size, but a lot of people say it doesn't actually do everything it says. A lot of people say it doesn't work the way it's supposed to work. A lot of people say it's not reliable. A lot of them have had this product and it broke down. And a lot of people say that it's not that strong. It's not made with good materials. It doesn't last. You would probably say, I don't think I'm going to buy the product. Correct? Would you? If this boy that you're this man you're looking at thinking about having a serious relationship or eventually marrying were a product, would you buy him? And I think that's the best way to evaluate it. You have your list of, I like him, but he's a nice guy, but he's handsome, but he's got a good job, but, and you have this whole list of buts. Just ask yourself, if he were a product, would I buy him? And the message to the guys is, be the product that a woman would buy. Just recently, I got a message from someone who said, all my relationships broke up. And I said, probably because you're not the product a woman would want. So that's why it broke up. So guys, be the product a woman wants, and girls, don't buy a product, a cheap product that doesn't do what you want it to do, and it's not going to last, and so forth.